Master Your Money, 4 game-changing rules for success. Do you ever feel stuck when it comes to managing your finances? Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to save, or unsure how to grow your money. Today, I'm going to change that. Welcome to the ultimate guide to financial education. In this video, I'll show you the secrets to achieving not just financial freedom, but also financial confidence, the ability to generate money anytime, anywhere. Stick around because I'm diving deep into the 4 rules of money mastery that could completely transform your financial life. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Why financial education matters. Financial education isn't just about numbers. It's about life-changing skills and knowledge that help you make informed decisions about your resources. Whether you want to leave that 9-to-5 grind, escape debt, or simply have the confidence to tackle financial challenges, financial literacy is your foundation. It's not just about being rich, it's about being smart. And here's the catch. Over 90% of people are financially illiterate. Why? We'll get into that soon. Financial freedom versus financial confidence. Here's something that most people don't talk about. Financial freedom and financial confidence are not the same. Freedom depends on how much money you have. Confidence is about your skills and mindset to make money, no matter the situation. And let me tell you, the world isn't running out of money. It's running out of people with the knowledge to earn it. Common financial mistakes. Let me introduce you to Peter. Peter gets his paycheck, spends it all on barbecues and liabilities, and wonders why he's broke. Sound familiar? Unfortunately, most people live like Peter. And even lottery winners who suddenly get rich often lose it all within a few years. Why? Lack of financial education. If you don't learn how to manage money, no amount of it will save you. That's why this video is so crucial. Let's make sure you're not a Peter. Barriers to financial education. There are 2 big reasons people fail to get financially educated, even when the information is free or cheap. Conventional wisdom. Growing up, how often did you hear things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or debt is evil? These myths hold you back. The truth? Debt can be your ally if used wisely. Don't let outdated beliefs stop your progress. Comfort zone and self-esteem. Many people are afraid of success because it requires stepping out of their comfort zone. But here's the thing. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Confidence and self-image are everything. If you don't see yourself as deserving of wealth, you'll never achieve it. So let's change that mindset today. The 4 rules of money mastery. Rule number 1, don't invest in what you don't understand. Investing is key, but it's not a game of luck. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or your own business, always invest in what you understand. And the best investment? Yourself. Learn, grow, and build your skills because no one can take that away from you. Rule number 2, debt is a tool, not a trap. Debt can either ruin you or elevate you. Bad debt, like spending on things you don't need, is a trap. But good debt, like loans to grow your business, can be a powerful tool. The key is knowing the difference and having a plan. Rule number 3, think rich. Thinking rich doesn't mean spending recklessly. It means having a growth mindset. Visualize your success, act with confidence, and take calculated risks. Rich people aren't afraid to spend money to make more money. Learn to play offense, not just defense. Rule number 4, play the long game. Quick wins are tempting, but lasting wealth takes time. Build systems, create passive income streams, and focus on sustainable growth. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Practical tips for immediate action. Now that you know the rules, here are 3 actions you can take today. Track your spending. Know where every dollar goes. Awareness is the first step to control. Start learning. Pick one area of financial education, stocks, real estate, or personal finance, and dive in. Set a goal. Whether it's saving $500 this month or starting a side hustle, clarity is power. These 4 rules are just the beginning of your financial journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build a community of financially confident individuals together. And remember, the world isn't running out of money. It's waiting for you to claim your share. See you in the next video.